Hi guys, I'm Reaction Bali, and in today's video I'll be reacting to this latest track called Natu Natu from this upcoming film called Triple R, which stands for Rise, Roar and Revolt. And the screenplay and the direction of this movie has been done by S.S. Rajamouli, and it's got in the lead role Junior NTR along with Ram Charan, Ajay Devgn and Alia Bhatt. This movie is going to hit the screens on the 7th of January next year, that is 2022. And also another interesting thing about this movie is that it tells the fictional tale of two great characters. They are Alluri Sita Ramaraju and Kumaram Bhim, and also the bond of their friendship. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's dive right into this particular song. But before that, here's a request that if you're watching this reaction video of mine for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my latest videos.
పొలం గట్టు దుమ్ములోన పోట్ల గిత్త దూకినట్టు పొలేరమ్మ జాతరలో పోతరాజు ఊగినట్టు గిర్రు సెప్పులేసినట్టు మర్రి సొట్టు నీడలోన కుర్ర గుంపు కూడినట్టు ఎర్ర జొన్న రొట్టెలోన మిరప దొక్కు కలిపినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు తీరనాటు
Look at the energy level, yaar. Whoa, that's synchronicity. Super, yeah, मजा आ गया.
ఒంటిలోని రగతమంతా రక్కలేసి ఎగిరేలా ఎసే రోయకాయకి నాటు 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 అరే దుమ్ము దుమ్ము దులిపేలా లోపలున్న పానమంతా డుముకులాడేలా దూకేనో సరాసరి నాటు నాటు నాటు
The energy level also on the set is something else. Junior NTR is like in full form. क्या बात है यार, look at those moves. Killer. Superb. Energy level. Excellent, outstanding. And also I must say that the choreographer for the song, Prem Rakshit, has definitely done a superb job, because the steps, especially the hook step, they blend so well with the music. And also I must say that Junior NTR and Ram Charan have put a lot of efforts in practicing for the song, because the way both of them are doing the hook step, it's like totally in sync with each other. It seems so seamless and flawless. So we can imagine how much of practicing hours on a daily basis they must have put in for this song. And also not to miss out the fact that the environment on the sets during the shoot of this song was also crazy. People were totally in their elements. They were having fun all together, and especially Junior NTR. I think there were certain clips of his where he's scene showing something on the mobile to the director. I feel it was his own dance step clips that he was trying to convince the director with. And also, I must say that the singers for the song, Rahul Sipligunj and Kal Bhairav, have again done an amazing job. So, like they say that no great work is complete without the team which is involved, their efforts. So, I guess that it's the singers, the choreographer, the music director, and the actors, of course, who make the song a complete package with their efforts. And also, an interesting tidbit about the story of the movie. So, Junior NTR is going to play the character of Kumaram Bhim, who is a tribal man. And the tale of the movie also revolves around this beautiful bond of friendship between Kumaram Bhim and Alluri Sita Ramaraju, who is a policeman that is played by none other than Ram Charan, and his wife, that is Sita, which is played by Alia Bhatt. Well, it remains to be seen whether this movie will be on a scale which is as huge as his previous movie, because the kind of promotions and the marketing which has been adopted by the team Triple R, it is definitely expected and anticipated that this movie is expected to be on that kind of scale, and this movie might end up receiving the same kind of love and attention like Bahubali Part 1 and Part 2 had received. And also, talking about the screenplay writer and also the director of this movie, S.S. Rajamouli, he was inspired by Motorcycle Diaries, and it is after watching that he got inspired to tell a tale about this beautiful friendship involving Kumaram Bhim and Alluri Sita Ramaraju. So guys, at the end, I would say that I enjoyed the song thoroughly. The energy level and the choreography of the song definitely makes it to one of my favorite tracks in the recent times. And also, before this, I had reacted to another song from this very movie, that was Dosti. And if you want to watch my reaction on that video also, I have shared its link in the description below. So guys, that's about it of reaction वाली खुद ही इजाज़त, मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट वाले reaction video में. तब तक के लिए always stay positive and keep smiling.